Week 4 has been the best class so far. This was the foundations for things like seesaws and A-frames. So we're having him work on a couple of different wobble boards here. So he's using his shoulder and really learning how to activate and feel those muscles. We were trying to get him to get all 4 paws on the wobble board and then have him sit, but that was a little too advanced for him, probably because it's also pretty small. I don't think all 4 feet can fit, so, not a big issue. Then we moved on to some seesaw stuff, like preliminary seesaw. This one I was a little bit nervous about because I didn't think that he would actually like it, because sometimes he's a little bit of a scaredy cat, but he did really well. But the easiest for him was definitely this A-frame. He has to walk up and down this really, really, really small plank. It's only 4 feet wide, and that's how it always is in all different competitions. It's legitimately the width of 2 of his paws. But he was able to do it, and we were able to get him to do a down and a sit on here, which I thought was pretty cool. I really didn't think that he was going to fit. You can see his elbows are falling off, but he was totally comfortable with just laying and hanging out. You can see that he's still trying to figure out where his body goes, because when he gets up, he kind of almost falls. But it's okay. For a first try, this is pretty amazing, and I would say he was one of the best in the class. And the last thing that we did in class that I didn't get to record was a little sequencing where we combined 2 of the tricks that we've talked about. So the wraparound thing where he goes around a chair or something, and then combined with a front forward where I point to where I want him to go and then he runs towards it. Now in class, there was a little bit of a jump before the food bowl for the front forward. So it will build up to a jump, but it was cool to put 2 different steps together and watch him excel. And proud mom moment, but Momo was the only one in class that was actually able to do this. Everyone else was struggling with the wraparound exercise, but Momo was able to do multiple reps within his 6 minutes, and it made me so proud.